Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a super cute DIY project that will blow your mind. Let's start by collecting some perfect stones for this project. Try to find different sizes so it looks like a little family sitting together. To make them look extra clean and pretty, I am just washing them properly and letting them dry. You can also use a tissue paper to clean them properly. Now comes my favorite part, giving life to these stones. I'm going to use googly eyes in different sizes. You can also use black and white acrylic paint or permanent markers. Once all the eyes are ready, I am going to glue them on a base stone. I am going to use Elfie to glue them on a base stone. You can also use super glue. Glue them on a base stone like this so it looks like a little family sitting together. Looks like the family is ready for the party. And finally, I am placing a small candle in the middle. Just look at the cozy vibe. This looks so starting and beautiful, perfect for your room and your living area. Isn't it crazy how something so simple can look so magical? This is why I love DIY projects, turning ordinary things into something extraordinary. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please comment below and mention which stone was your favorite. Thank you.